In my last Squarespace tutorial, I showed you how to add a password to a Squarespace website. I'm going to put the card for that right up here, right up there, that area. Anyway, so you can click on that and watch that tutorial. But adding a password to a Squarespace website is super helpful because when you are in the building phase of your Squarespace website, the only way you can share it with anyone is if it is password protected. However, unfortunately, this creates a little bit of friction because now you've got a password to remember. You have to write it down. You have to keep up with it, and nobody wants to do that. So what I've learned is a cool little URL trick that will allow you to bypass having to share the password. It will build it right into the URL link that you share with them, and it will bypass that password page when they enter the link. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to jump on over my screen and do that right now. Okay, so here we are on my demo website again, and we're going to go on over to settings first to set up the password like we did on the last video. You can see it's set on private right now. So we're setting up a password protection. So I'm going to go with what I always go with, which is lowercase p-a-s-s, pass, and I'm going to save it. I'm going to close that out, get rid of that. And then I'm going to grab the URL here like I would if I was sharing this with someone. And I don't need the config part, so I'm just going to get everything before that. And I'm going to hit Command-C on a Mac to copy that, or it would be Control-C on a PC. And then you'll want to paste this link wherever you're going to share it, whether it be in an email or a text message, wherever it may be. You're going to share this link as you've copied it. For me, I'm going to open up an incognito window so that you can see what it would look like from the person's perspective that you share the link with. And I'm going to paste it here. And then what you'll have to do, like when you're entering it into an email or typing it or pasting it into a text message, whatever it is that you're sharing it in, once you paste it, just like this, after you paste it, you're going to type question mark, password equals, and then whatever you put in for your password on the website. For me, I put in PASS, all lowercase. And so whenever I hit enter, it will open up the website just as the person you are sharing the website with would see. And as you can see, it bypassed the password screen for Squarespace, and there's no longer do they have to remember a password. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe. And if you would like for me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.